Now children, we will see about snow. When the temperature at the atmosphere falls below freezing point, water vapor directly turns into snowflakes. This is called sublimation. So underline this definition, sublimation. When the temperature, I am repeating once again, when the temperature in the atmosphere falls below freezing point, water vapor directly turns into snowflakes. This is called sublimation. Here the vapor in the form of gas transform into solid snow. Precipitation in the form of solid particles of snow is known as snowfall. In high latitudinal and temperate regions, snowfall occurs at the mean sea level, while in tropical areas, snowfall occurs at the places located higher than the snowline altitude. As snow is in the solid form, it does not flow like water. Layers of snow get deposited when the snow accumulates on the large scale and the transport and communication system of that area collapses. People living in those regions have to protect themselves from frostbite. When the snow melts, the region gets water. Understood, children? So this is the condition of snowfall. So snowfall occurs when the temperature in that region becomes very minimum. It is below freezing point, and the rainfall which falls to the ground, it turns into snow. Understood? So when the layers of snow accumulate, start accumulating at that particular place, and when snowfall is there, heavy snowfall is there. Now the Himalayan range of our country, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, they are witnessing heavy snowfall, and during the condition of heavy snowfall, layers of snow start accumulating at that place. And what happened with this problem is arises for the transport and communication system. Understood? Totally collapse. And people living in that region, they have to protect themselves from this snow. Frostbite means injury to the tissue, human tissues, caused by exposure to extreme cold. You know, this type of frostbite is happen to our soldiers, where the soldiers, they are deployed in the higher altitude of Himalayan region like Leh Ladakh, Kargil region. So this type of damage is due to heavy snowfall. Understood? Human tissues, they are they became destroyed, or injuries are there. Tissues, understood? Human tissues or hands, feet, they are totally collapsed. So this type of situation is there when the heavy snowfall or the snow region of any place. Understood? So people in these regions, they protect themselves with heavy clothings. Understood? Now children, we will see hail. When there is a lot of heat on the earth's surface, the upward air blows at a greater speed. Because of this upward flow, the temperature of the air reduces and the condensation of water vapor takes place. Dark clouds are formed because of the upward movement of air. These water droplets go to the higher altitude. Here, solidification of these droplets occur and hailstones are formed. So here the condition of hailstones, how hailstones are formed, this is given here. When the due to higher temperature above the earth's surface, but what happened, there is upward airflow, the air starts flowing up in upward position, in the upward position. Understood? At a very greater speed. And due to this upward flow, the temperature of the air reduces and the condensation of water vapor takes place. What happened when this upward airflow is there? Understood? Listen carefully. When this upward airflow is there, temperature at the higher altitude or the upward area of temperature start reduces, and that place condensation processes start. Understood? And dark clouds are formed. Dark clouds are nothing but the water which is present in the atmosphere. Maximum percentage of water, when it present in the atmosphere, it becomes dark. Whenever during rainy season, we can see, if there is prediction of heavy rain, we can see very dark clouds in the sky. Understood? So that those dark clouds are nothing but the clouds which is full of water. Understood? And they are ready to rainfall, to have rainfall above the earth's surface. Because of the upward movement of air, these water droplets go to higher altitude. Here the solidification of these droplets occur and hailstones are formed. So what happens when this moisture laden water, it goes to upward and suddenly temperatures start decreasing. So these water droplets, they turn into a hailstone. They turn into these big droplets or a type of snow, not exactly snow but a type of snow, ice. Understood? So these are hailstones, big stones. As hailstones are heavy, they fall towards ground, but because of the frequent upward flow of air, they are repeatedly taken upward. Here, a new layer of snow encapsulates the hail. This happens quite a few times. Hence, concentric layers are formed while the hail grows in size. These big heavy hailstones falls rapidly to the ground because of gravity. We call the precipitation of this type as hail showers. Because of hail, crops may get destroyed and loss of life and property may also occur. So children, what happened? Accumulation of water, or it start becoming layer after layer. And if you'll see hailstone, whenever next time if you'll see hailstone, you break that hailstone and you can see different layers of water is there. Understood? Type of ice formation, layer after layer, and it becomes very heavy. So it is the concentric layers which forms inside the hailstone. So, but it is not snow. Understood, children? It is not snow. It is hailstone. We can say, if we'll see, touch the hailstone, we can see it is nothing but the round ice formation. Understood? So it becomes very heavy, and whenever, and you know that everything which is very heavy, and due to gravitational force of earth, everything starts coming towards earth. So when it became very heavy, so they start coming to earth. And when the standing crops are there on the agriculture field, it damages there. Understood? So the crops may get damaged, destroyed, and loss of life is also there. Property is also destroyed. So this is the side effect of hailstones. Understood? Which is very common in the equatorial regions. Understood? So this is about snow and hailstone. Understood? So you are supposed to read this paragraph again and again about snow and hailstone.